Hey, it's Steve from Nova Fitness, and today I'm going to be going over a stability ball crunch. A couple key points about this exercise. We want to be stretched out with the ball underneath the lower back, feeling stretched through the abs. I want to have my feet roughly underneath my knees. I'm going to stabilize my glutes, head in a neutral position. Easiest hand position is where I have my hands closer to the midline of my body, my waist. So here would be easy. Next would be across the chest. Hands at the side of the head, behind the ears, and then hands even stretched out before you really even need to think about adding a weight. I want to slowly crunch up under control, breathing out, and then breathing in on the way down, extending over the ball, squeezing the glutes while I crunch back up, under control, back down. Give those a go in your next workout. Great for the abs, great as a warm-up, or even to an end to a workout. Anywhere from 10 to even 25 repetitions, depending on what you can do just with your body weight. Have a great day, and thanks for watching the video.